Op Sindoor is an outstanding success, not because of any kinetic thing, but where we have crossed a political Rubicon.
For the understanding of the people, we carry out an attack in Reasi. Then he moves up to Gulmarg. Between Poonch, this side is your Poonch. Okay? Poonch to Gulmarg you can do in one night walk.
The first night itself, the S-400 had created a world record of sorts by hitting the aircraft at 314 kilometers.
एक बंदा बोल रहा है पाकिस्तान में एयरफोर्स स्टेशन पर अटैक हो रहा है, ठीक है, भीड़ इकट्ठी है, कहते सवेरे नमाज पढ़ने के लिए तो कोई उठ के नहीं आता है, ये तमाशा देखने सारे पहुंचे हुए हैं.
So the guys who did Baisaran are trained commandos who did it.
Yes, जो आपका लोकल मिलिटेंट है वो गोली मार के भागता है. Here is a man who comes, walks into the center of the road, both Reasi and both Patri, with total confidence and ease, aims at the driver, fires. Not a single round on the body of the wing.
Who are basic weapon suppliers of the Indian military forces? One is Russia and other is Israel.
Israel also, yes.
So these two people are caught in their own wars. You will not get supplies. Everything is not hunky-dory.
I would say that their satellite coverage, the Chinese and the feed which the Pakistanis were getting was much better.
Iran attack was already planned and unfortunately for them this happened. Now this is the time when they arm wrestle. कि अगर तुमको बेस चाहिए तो हमको वो दो, नहीं तो हम सीज फायर के लिए भी एग्री नहीं करेंगे.
NATO has its Link 16. China has its XS3. They have a satellite constellation of giving real-time updates. Do we have such capabilities?
We have asked Rafale for the source code so that we can integrate our BrahMos onto it. And seemingly France has refused. What did the Americans say? If you buy the S-400, you can't have F-35. These are all platforms which are not supposed to act in isolation. They're all supposed to act in concert. The evidence points to that there is an issue.